Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the middle of January. At the end of the season, mowing season, my lawn tractor quit. It just won't start anymore. I bought a zero turn that I'm going to use to mow, but I had some plans to use this for. So I believe the fuel pump's out of it. I wasn't getting any fuel up to the carburetor. So thanks for tuning in. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so this is a 19.5 horse Briggs and Stratton opposed 2-cylinder. It ran good. I bought it last year. It ran pretty good. Mowed it a few times, and it just slowly sort of quit running right. So my plan is here, I gotta grab some tools. I'm gonna take the air cleaner off, and I did buy a fuel pump rebuild kit for it because I don't think I was getting fuel. It would run if I poured some gas down it. I'm probably gonna wait another hour or two before I get to cracking on this because it's very cold. I gotta go get the jump pack. I think this battery is no good, or it's not charging, one of the two, and we'll go from there. Oh, what's going on over there? My dogs are being crazy right when I'm trying to do a video. Okay, it's calmed down a little bit. I got that. Oh, of course. I got the cover off the carburetor. Now there's a couple of wing nuts here. Take this plate off. I don't know. It's got the Nicky 6 carburetor on it, which is unfortunately the expensive carburetor to work on. I don't know if this one you can take the top off like the other carbs. Take that off and set her here. Get my air filter out. That'll come out. And looks like I'll need a couple sockets here. Okay, these appear to be 5/16. Loosen them up. Yeah, it's still pretty cold here. I'm hoping I can get this knocked out. I tried to get out in the sunlight at least. It's pretty cold on the old fingers. I did take the fuel pump off one time and put it back together. We'll see what's up with that. I probably should have left it alone. But I was trying to see. I didn't see any obvious like tears or anything. It's just kind of a diaphragm type deal in there. Alright. So I'll drop those down into the carburetor. Take that off. She pops off. Should be a breather. Yep. Came off. Running out of places to set stuff. Okay, I think. Yeah, so this just kind of goes up into that. Let's see. Pretty crusty. Looks like the top will come off. This is This is the choke. Really didn't want to take a whole bunch of junk off here. I think I'm just going to undo the 4 Phillips head screws here and pop the top of the carburetor off real quick. And I'll try to tilt it and get the choke out. Okay, I got the top of the carb off. There's a lot of water in there. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And it looks pretty dirty. So I'm just going to crank it over. I want to see if I can catch any fuel spurting up. It should come from this area. Yep, we got fuel. I'd say that we got plug jet. And it's full of water. It doesn't run off water, so let me get that cleared out. There's a, you're supposed to be able to take this out and it should drain, because that gives you access to the jet down there, which that probably has to come out. So okay, let me find the wrench that'll fit that, and I don't think this is big enough. Yeah, I gotta find something to get on that and get that out of there, and I'll be back. Alrighty, got that loose. Now let's drain all this junk out of here. Make sure you don't lose this gasket. Yeah, that's really full of gunk. Frozen water. I'm gonna pop this jet out of here. I gotta go grab some brake clean and try to get this bowl area cleared out. I'm gonna take my look at my needle and seat real quick. It looks pretty good. Didn't tear the carburetor gasket apart, which is awesome. So, okay. What do we got? Turn my jump pack off. Let's see. Hopefully the screwdriver will work. You can see it in there. Yeah, that's a lot of water, unfortunately. Yep, this is a two-hand job here, so I'll get it out, and if we can see it plugged up or anything, I'll let you look at it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. You can see light through it, but it is plugged. It's like frozen. There's a bunch of gunk in there. Looks like some residue, probably from not being winterized appropriately. So I'm gonna get that cleaned out. Set that guy there. That's probably what's keeping us from starting. Okay, there should be another jet down here. Okay, let me go grab some carb cleaner. Need another little screwdriver and some stuff to clean that out. And we'll come on back. Okay, I cleared that one jet out inside here. I pulled this jet out. It's a little crusty, not terrible. I'm gonna go ahead and get the old brake clean. Yeah, and that shoots right out there. And that shoots out there. Oh. You get the picture. Just gonna shoot everything down. I grab some rags and clean out this bowl here. It's crusty, and then I'll clean off the bottom side of the carburetor, we'll get her flipped back over, and we'll give her a shot, see if it'll start up. I would like to be able to use this in the winter time. I want to build a snow blade for it and some other accessories. Okay, I got it all reassembled here. Cleaned both the jets, sprayed everything down with brake clean, all the passages I could get to. Everything looked clear. I used the towel and cleaned out the bowl area, sprayed the carburetor off. It's had a little bit of time to sit and evaporate, so we'll see if it'll go. So I got jump pack on. Looks good. I'll give her a choke. It's very cold. Let's see what it does. Started. Probably got bad fuel in it now, I suppose. So let me do some investigating, see what I can come up with. But you know it'll run, so it's got to be a fueling issue. Yeah, you tell them. All right, I pulled the plug outside. There was nothing in the bowl, so I might still have a fueling issue. I put as much brake clean in the carb as I can get it in there. Maybe that'll kind of prime it up a bit. See if it starts up. Jumper pack's garbage. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my jump pack, get it charged back up. Pretty crazy that starting a lawnmower kills it that quick. That was fully charged. So these Vector jump packs junk. So I'll bring it back as soon as I figure out something else. It's clearly not filling the bowl, so I probably need to take the top of the carburetor back off and clean out the Needleman seat. Okay, I got her going. It's idling, no choke. I ran it around the yard a few times. Problem was there was a lot of water in the gas, so I drained about half the tank, cleaned the carburetor out again. When I took it back apart, the bowl was full of gas and water, so the pump was working. It wasn't the float, it was just bad gas at that point. So yep, I put some Berrymans in the gas tank too to kind of clean some stuff out, hopefully help that water a little bit. Alrighty, she's done. Should be seeing some more of this thing in some future videos. That deck's going to come off. I got a 0 turn, so this doesn't need a mow anymore. I'm planning on a few things with it, but we'll talk about that in future videos. So thanks for sticking around. If you've got any questions, go ahead and comment and ask. I'll do my best to answer. As always, if you could subscribe, like the video, that all helps out quite a bit. So we'll catch you in the next one.